Genghis Khan, also known as Genghis Khan in Japanese, is a grilled lamb dish that originated in Hokkaido, Japan. When grilled to perfection, it is known for its amazing taste, and it goes well with beer. So if you want to try this dish out, here are the best restaurants in Sapporo that you have to go. But first, what is Genghis Khan? To put it simply, this is a dish in which thinly sliced mutton and vegetables like bean sprouts, cabbage and pumpkin are basted and roasted together. Even though it is named after the famous Mongolian conqueror, this is actually a purely Japanese dish. This restaurant is located in the Sapporo Beer Museum, and it serves Hokkaido lamb in its Genghis Khan dish, which is cooked over an open flame right at your table. You get a variety of dipping sauces including miso and soy sauce, plus the restaurant even offers a beer pairing menu. There's even an option to have unlimited free flow of beer, so you can eat and drink till you drop. The restaurant itself is a rustic beer hall with a lively atmosphere, and it is a popular spot for tourists. Daruma is a popular chain of Genghis Khan restaurants in Sapporo, with several locations throughout the city. The restaurant is known for its high-quality lamb, which is sourced from Hokkaido and cooked to perfection over a charcoal grill. The lamb is served with a variety of dipping sauces, including soy sauce and garlic, and the restaurant also offers a range of side dishes, such as grilled vegetables and rice. The restaurant has a cozy, traditional atmosphere and is popular with locals. This could be a better option than the Sapporo Beer Garden if you don't want to contend with groups of tourists that go there to eat after the tour of the beer museum. While Kani Shogun is primarily known for its crab dishes, the restaurant also serves a delicious Genghis Khan that come with the finest cuts of lamb. The lamb is cooked over a traditional iron griddle and served with a range of dipping sauces including yuzu pepper and soy sauce. The restaurant also offers an extensive selection of sake and shochu, which pair well with the flavors of the lamb. And finally, you'll find this restaurant in the Susukino area, which is known for its shopping and nightlife. So if you're planning to head to the bars after a delicious dinner, the Kani Shogun is for you. Asahi Shokudo is a small family-run restaurant that is a bit off the beaten path, but well worth seeking out for its delicious Genghis Khan. The lamb is sourced from a local farm and cooked over a charcoal grill, giving it a smoky, savory flavor. The restaurant also offers a range of side dishes, such as grilled vegetables and tofu, as well as a variety of drinks, including beer and sake. The restaurant has a casual, family-friendly atmosphere and is very popular with locals. So if you've been wanting to practice your Japanese with the local people, this might be the perfect place for it. Eating local food is definitely one of the best ways to immerse yourself in the culture of a foreign land, and having Genghis Khan is definitely a delicious way to learn. Which is your favorite place to go for this dish? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe as I have a ton of content coming your way. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.